What is programming? Programming is the process of creating a set of instructions that tell a computer how to perform a task. Programming can be done using a variety of computer programming languages, such as JavaScript, Python, and C++. Why should you learn programming? There is job guarantee, increased creativity by creating interesting applications that can generate revenue, development of problem-solving skills, and there are tons of opportunities to work from home. How to do programming? Find a language you're interested in and start learning. How to be a programmer? Learn the basics, learn how to read and write computer code, and create programs that solve problems. Where to learn programming for free? Code Academy, Coursera, edX, Udemy, Agupyware, GitHub, MIT OpenCourseWare, Hack.pledge, Code Avengers, Khan Academy, Free Food Camp, Web Fundamentals among others. Check out this video for depth information on free online education. What to know before starting programming? You can only perfect on programming by paying close attention to the basics, and it takes practice to be good at something. The different types of programming languages? There are about 700 programming languages, including esoteric coding languages. However, C++, JavaScript, PHP, Python, Ruby, and Go are the main ones. Check out our video on the highest paid programming languages. How to get a job as a programmer. We have freelancer sites such as Fiverr, Upwork, etc., and also due to high demand you can easily get a job from job sites such as Glassdoor. Note that there is a difference between programming and coding. Coding in 100 seconds is coming up. If you found this video helpful and interesting, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, share it with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, etc., and leave a comment below.